guys, good morning, happy Tuesday, and I'm starting the vlog very early today. This is the time I usually wake up in the morning, so I wake up at 5:15 in the morning and prepare what my kids are gonna take to school for their food and help them get ready to school. This year is a lot different because my daughter Marcella, she's in high school now and she's studying far away from home, unlike before it only takes us 5 to 10 minutes to get to their school, and now it's 40 minutes away by car. Luckily, we exchanged to send them to the train station. So we send them every Mondays and Thursdays. And the other parent sends them every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So we alternate during the week. And depending on the situation, I could do it more or they could do it more. Anyway, we are also going to the Asian stores today. I'm gonna meet my sister Shenna there. We're gonna meet Marcella there because she can now take the train. She's becoming very independent. It makes me happy, but also a bit scared because the world is dangerous. Especially here in Brazil, it's not safe. But we pray that God is always with her and that she's safe. So yeah, let me show you the time. It's now 5:39 in the morning. 5:50 now. Just waiting for them to arrive. Marcella is almost ready. So that's cool.
How annoying this is. Man, I can't even
Do you see how this won't fit on the other one?
Yeah, but I could wear my jacket.
Yeah. So every Tuesday she has volleyball class in her school, different from the other volleyball school. So she has to bring 2 bags. Okay, they are here. Bom dia. It's now time to send Celine. Our time check is 6:50 in the morning. Time to send Celine to school. Let's go. So guys, it's now 10 in the morning and I already took a shower and got dressed. I'm about to have breakfast because after we sent Celine to school, I took a nap and now let's eat. So I'm preparing coffee here. And here I have my tapioca. It's one of the things I like in Brazil, tapioca. I like it sweet or salty. So when it's salted tapioca, I like to put some cream cheese and mozzarella. Let's add more water. Kain tayo. We're leaving the house, guys. First, I'm going to Celine's school because I have to get some paperwork for Marcella's new school. As I mentioned, she changed her school, so we need to pass a new paperwork for the new one. This is the school. And let's wait here. So I'm here at Celine's school And I already asked someone so I can sign the paper and get it. I got what I needed to get here at Metro Santana. We are here. Adali, stay like that for the thumbnail. And we have watermelon juice.
Maganda ko nandito na ang lap.
Bakit? Ano mo lang tubig? Wala na. Kung nagluha ka na. Pero mapdig yun. Gusto mo ba ng tinidor, mama? Close, may gusto mo. Marunong ka na yun. Querem as colherzinhas? É, a colher. Fried rice guys, isang kasi magilo. Oh my God. Tumalon yung cellphone guys sa waiter. No, but turn more here. Juice guys. Juice? Ay ano? Juice pala guys.
Nagulat ka rin eh. Naging Diyos.
Alam mo, hindi pares ng timpla. Rice be?
Iba yung chef.
Kaya mag-share mo doon. Okay, ito. Dito mas maalat. Ayaw ko magbukang na yan. Gusto nyo ice? Ay, sukal? No. It's only you, mami.
But you can see if it's the... Ay, yung gyoza na
You see it in the plate.
Yung komay nila. May tubig. Masada. Okay, food.
Do you want me to make some sauce? What time ka ng sauce? I will make sauce of siomai. Will you make by yourself?
Chop choy guys. What's your comment about this restaurant? Wait. Wrong head.
Wrong name.
Hindi siya
Very
masyado,
wrong ba?
Hindi siya masyado good, maalat. Sorry sila.
Yeah.
Tapos,
I didn't like it that much.
ang masarap lang yung pansit.
Tsaka
Pero
yung,
hindi siya
siomai
yummy
din,
talaga.
okay naman din yung gyoza.
Ano nila?
Gyoza sabihin mo.
Gyoza.
Diosa daw yung diosa daw nila, oh.
Gyoma.
Gyo.
Gyoza.
Gyo.
Gyoza, ano. Okay. Pero yung parang chop choy nila,
Binaboy be.
at pag sinangag nila guys, wala.
Yung sinangag nila, masyadong marami yung sahog, okay lang. Pero masarap pa yung
Maalat kasi.
akin. Ngayon yung chop suey nila, hindi mukhang chop suey guys. Pakita ko yung picture ng chop suey guys ha. Suka pa ako eh. Oh, chop suey ba yan be? Chop suey. Você falou nas suas reclamações?
Falei, claro que eu falei.
Triste.
Obrigada, tá?
Ang aming Sharon.
O próprio chefe.
Kailangan ko ng po yung matamis. Anong tawag doon?
Asian grocery. Ah, ito yung ano, oh. Panimpla. So, what did you find? Show, mami. What is it? Ube melon. Patingin. Ang dami, ah. Ube melona.
Can I get a different flavor?
Here.
It's melting. Eat it.
Just to show you the price of rice cooker here. 35,000. Nabulunan pa ako sa presyo. Ayun. Ang mahal dahil ang Japanese rice cooker. 35K.
32K. Ito, 17K. Wow, mahal. Pero
but this one is
ano
the
pa yan on sale pa yan On sale.
Okay lang sana yung price na ganun, guys. If you cook rice there, the normal rice will become Japanese rice. Oh, then it's worth it. No? Kung maging Japanese yung normal rice mo. Anong mahal? Then?
Oh, ang Dr. Pepper dito, 18 reals.
Cream soda.
Kalamansi or lemonsito.
Magkano?
Alam niyo ba magkano kalamansi dito?
Mahal,
28, 20 reals. Oh,
280.
280. Ano lang siya, 500 grams. O kalahating kilo.
Ang mahal.
Kaya kalamansi.
Huwag na, lemon na lang.
Alang ubat, 38?
Oo.
Because it's special and it's big. I don't care.
Ayan yung Moscato.
Mahal naman.
Mahal na mabiliin, guys.
Walking
Magutom
ano
na.
lang tayo.
This is another kind of like pancit canton but with cheese. So, it's like ganito.
Maririnig dyan.
Samyang carbonara with cheese.
13 dito.
Prices of samyang here.
Oh, mas marami ba pagka gano'n, no?
Alam mo ba, anong channel sa TV? Hindi, tanungin natin.
Olha pra mim. Aí. Aí você só fala olhando pra ela, tá? Valeu, Val.
Ilubos mo na kapag
We bought some mee goreng for Vanessa. 15 pieces of mee goreng. It's 4 reals each or 40 pesos each. Is it the same price in the Philippines? And some cake for the girls. And more shopping.
So, dito tayo mag-aangkay, te?
Oh, it started raining, you guys. Toilet break. And I'm carrying Marcela's bag because it's heavy. And she's carrying 2 bags today. So to help her, I'm carrying the other one. And now we're going to Daiso. We had a toilet break here at Starbucks, even though we didn't have coffee. Because why not?
Magic sarap namin dito sa Brazil, guys.
Ano pa mga binili? Itong chichirya, oh. Vegetable.
Ayan, Likate, may bagoong ditong buong buo. Kamarang pequeno temperado.
Parang ang lalaki.
Oo, te, pero ito mas bakang bagoong kaysa yung isa nakasulat dito Lanta Food Series.
Hindi ko alam.
Eh, walang...
Turtle. Poji Jalea. Ayun, mga ready-made na milk tea. Yan.
Marcela, look at the turtle.
Soy milk powder, oh.
Poor turtle. Look.
Ang tapang ng amoy dito.
Celine, do you want some turtle?
Pero,
What's that?
lakad.
Picture mo, be.
Ang baho naman, be. Ano yun?
Halos mahal ito eh. O, dito tayo iba pang bagoong o iba-ibang klase.
This is Indomie, guys. Spicy and not spicy. 32 reals or 320 pesos each pack. Is it the same price in the Philippines? Please comment down below because I wanna compare prices.
Ang laking white rabbit. Ano namin childhood
Ano
candy.
tawag dyan? I-boomerang mo kami ng tita mo. Dali. Dried mango.
20 reals o 200.
mango.
Ay, dito.
What? That's crazy.
Amazing. Wala na, wala na dito. Dito puro pansaas. Wala ang ating hipon na maganda.
Ayaw maayos.
Hindi ko mahanap to yung...
Ito yung gusto natin bilihin, no, be? Butane 130.
Kailangan ko manip yung baso na puti. Ganitong style.
Ganyan nga yung baso ni George. Ang ganda natin, laki, oh.
Pag-mix mo ng itlog dyan, mix agad. Hindi mo na kailangan pa ng ano.
Mix, eh.
Gusto nung isa, ganito. Tapos, ang gamitin ko is yung yung
Ano ba yan?
babasagin. Hiwa. May mga online na rin pa din pala sinabayad. Durian pizza, nabigay niya kay sa anak niya, nabaliw. 25.
Back in the train station. Marcella's going back to school because she still has volleyball later. And bye, Mala. See you later.
Sa train ka na daw.
Bakit yan nakalusot ko?
Bye-bye. Oh, there she's going to the other way of the metro. Peeler, mag-isa ka na.
Really, you wanted to be like her?
No.
Alone? Like
Marcella, peeler ka. Oh,
Izumo.
independent daw siya. Oh,
Love you. Mana all.
we can see you.
Your boyfriend is waiting, ah.
Waiting for our train. We're waiting on
Ayan na
this
yung
side.
train now.
Marcella's waiting on that. We are back home, guys. But I'm about to go out again because we have to go to Flavio and Silvana's house. And then near Flavio and Silvana's house is where Marcel studies. So we're gonna spend some time with them and then pick Marcella up later at around 9:20 in the evening. I'm gonna charge my phone a little bit while we organize the things we bought at Liberdade. I don't think I can do a haul, or maybe I can. Wait, let's see. Near home, where my husband picked us up, we got some jackfruit. Super bango. So we can make ginataang bilo-bilo. My sister gave us some lemon. We got some seaweeds. This is Japanese, right? Yeah. Japanese noodles. I think it's good. Thai noodles. This is mama. We used to eat this when we lived in Thailand. That's expensive.
That's heavy though.
We used to eat this when we were living in Thailand. So we got 6. We got water.
Oh, see,
Show them what you bought, sir.
bought a sharpener. It's very expensive. It's 18, but it's heavy, really heavy, so it's gonna last a long time.
And then mine too, eyeliner blue, 19.
We got some chili, green long chilies for sinigang or paksiw. And then we got scalp scrubber. We got some fish balls, sticky rice for biko, mushrooms, And some snacks that we found there. 6 packets of this one. Biscuit bacon sticks.
This one is good. Look how pointy it is, my pencil. It's very pretty.
And then we got these vegetable crackers. Shen didn't like it. I liked it. Sesame biscuit. And Marcella got some socks from Daiso. Very nice. And this one for her friend, Marina. She got for Marina, and some safety pins that she said she needs. Keychain. Celine, put this in Ate's room, please. Ampan. Or put this in Ate's room. We got this bread with beans inside. It's like hopia. Hopia bread. Our leftover food from the Chinese restaurant that we went. Cake for the girls to take to school tomorrow. I'm gonna put inside the fridge kasi baka masira. And then 15 pieces of mee goreng for Vanessa that she asked me to buy for her. Got our patis or fish sauce. So this is the best brand from Thailand. Nampla in Thai. Nampla fish sauce. So for any one of you here in São Paulo who's looking for the best patis, this is the best brand. Nampla. The last thing I got is a cell phone casing. This is the only one they have. It's the clear one. I'm gonna change my phone because mine is already yellow and disgusting. So yeah, just a clear casing. At least it's not yellow. So that's it. We were about to leave, but then we remembered that it's our coding today. Number coding. So we cannot leave. We can only leave after 8 when the coding time is over. So we're not going to Flavio and Savannah's house today. Out to pick up Marcella now. It's very late. The poor thing is already so tired. She's awake since 5 o'clock in the morning.
Trying to figure you out, I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like